All right, Jersey Sports Cards here. We are doing these Donruss Blaster boxes, 3-box break by the pack. As I mentioned earlier, let me change this because not 2029. I'm not traveling back to the going up to the future here. 2018-19 Donruss Blasters. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up these boxes right now. I'm going to mix up the packs. I'm getting 11 packs per box. Each person's going to get 1 pack from each box. And chasing purple velocities, green press proofs. Plus you got optics, hollows. And just mixing these up just in case inserts fall in the same packs. So whatever number you get, that's the pack you're going to get on the way down. So I'll kind of just go from the top to bottom. So whoever gets in spot 1 is going to get pack 1. Each stack. And like I mentioned, this is a cheap way to get into some Donruss. Like I was saying, hobby boxes are $2,000. So good luck to you all. Let's do the pack numbers here. All right, 11 spots. We are going 11 times. Fitting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Kevin getting pack 1, Ryan 2, Mike 3, Warren 4, Caleb 5, Simon 6, Kyle 7, Jesus 8, Kyle 9 and 10, and Caleb 11. So I'll post that up in the group in that post so you guys can see what packs you guys are getting on the way down there. So Kevin will be up first. That is Jesus. All right, Kevin getting first pack on the top of these. 2, 3. Those are all yours. Oh, so you got one of the purple velocities. Good luck. A little Marcelo purple velocity. Marcelo. That's a nice one. Timo Werner. You did get a rated rookie here, Jacob Brune Larson. And your third pack. Patrick Cutrone. There's your third pack. So you had one purple velocity there. Timo Werner. Bring this up. And that was to Kevin. Klein Nailed. Alright, that was the first. Alright, pack 2 is going to Ryan. Let me come back on this one. Good luck here, Ryan. You got Timothy Weah, rated rookie. Hollow coming up. Good luck. That is Firmino, Roberto Firmino, hollow. Ooh, and a green press proof. It is blue. Can be messy. Nope, Nicola Otamendi. Green press proof. And your third pack. Manuel Neuer. Ooh, nice. Jadon Sancho. Paper rookie there. Nice. Jadon Sancho. Pretty centered, too. That was for Ryan. Next up is Mike. Mike, you got the next pack here on top. Good luck to you. Hollow. Mark Hamsik hollow for Napoli. And green press proof. Andreas Christensen for Denmark. You got Optic Rajic. Base cards flipping around. And your third pack. Optic Toby Alderweireld. That was your third one. Sorry, nothing too crazy there, man. Next up is Warren Fan. Warren Fan, good luck. We got Purple Velocity. Got a Cristiano Ronaldo. Going this way. Wow. Sick. Christian Pulisic, Purple Velocity. Nice. Nice one there, man. Christian Pulisic, Purple Velocity. Nice one there, Warren. Hollow. Lukaku for Belgium. And, ooh, nice. How about a Cristiano Ronaldo green press proof? Another nice one. And a base and a press proof now. And your third pack. Coletta Carr rated rookie. And another Ronaldo. Juve Ronaldo and a Portugal Ronaldo. Not bad. Warren fan. Nice couple packs for you there. After Warren fan is Caleb. This is your first of your two. Good luck. You got a hollow coming up. Donnarumma hollow for Italy. And right behind that, green press proof of Nicholas Tagliafico for Argentina. There's a Messi. Paper Messi. Christian Pulisic paper. Angel Di Maria optic. In your third pack. Sergio Ramos. And Skrniar on the rated rookie. There's your first of your three. Your first of your two. Next up is Saim. Saim. Good luck here, man. We got Kyle Walker optic. That is Batshuayi. Rated rookie Kluivert. And your third pack. Got an Mbappe paper for France. And Saul for Atletico. Green press proof. There you go, Saim. Get one Mbappe there. All right, after that, we got Kyle with your first of your 3 packs. Good luck here, Kyle. Neymar. And Hollow. Davinson Sanchez. Got a press proof of nice little Virgil van Dijk for Netherlands. Press proof. Pack number 2. Got Josh Sargent, rated rookie. And Manuel Neuer is your optic. So you get 2 more chances. Keep yours there. Next up is Jesus. Jesus, good luck here, man. Bobby Wood optic. Ooh, good luck. Optic rated rookie. It's the right color. Nice one. Alphonso Davies optic. Very nice. And a Ronaldo base paper. Nice little optic Davies. In your last pack, got a hollow. Going this way. Marco Verratti hollow for Italy. And an optic rated rookie. That is Arthur. Oh, not bad for you there, man. Nice little Davies. All right, next was Kyle. You actually got the next 2. So these are going to be your last 2 packs. And that'll leave us with the bottom pack for Caleb. So good luck, Kyle. You got these coming up here. We got Thierry Henry, and you got a nice little paper Alphonso Davies. Paper Davies. Rui Patricio. Coletta Carr. Purple Velocity, good luck. Going this way. Roman Berkey for Dortmund. Purple Velocity. Nice. Roman Berkey. Got a holo coming up. Good luck. Marquinhos holo and a green velocity. It's a nice one. Harry Kane. I mean, green press proof. Harry Kane. And a Pulisic Dortmund paper. Two packs to go. Ronaldo, paper. Holo Neymar, very nice. Holo Neymar. And Bernardo Silva, green press proof. What's up, Dazzer? And last pack here for you. Wow, nice. That is our second paper Davies. Very nice. So a nice couple packs for you. Two paper Davies. Nice couple packs for you, man. Doing good, Daz. This was Kyle. Time for relaxing. I need to grab some of those. All right, last one here going to Caleb. This is your second of your 3 packs. Good luck here, man. Nice couple boxes. Franz Beckenbauer, Timothy Weah paper. That is Roberto Baggio, Brune Larson. In your 3rd pack. Paper, Oscar Cibad. That was the break there, guys. So definitely a couple nice cards we pulled. Again, I'll post up another one of those tomorrow, guys. So look out for that. Again, nice way to get into some optic on the cheap compared to the hobby. Congrats all as a hit. Definitely appreciate it, guys. And I'll get that video uploaded.